Hello, in lecture number 3 of diode and series application, in today's lecture, we will study the Zener diode. We already studied that PN junction diode. Now we will study next diode and their applications in chapter. Next device is the Zener diode. These are some outlines of lecture number 3rd. First one is the Zener diode. Next one symbol of Zener diode. Third one biasing of Zener diode. Fourth one Phi characteristics of Zener diode, and fifth one is the applications of Zener diode. Now we will study the meaning of Zener diode. Zener diode is basically like an ordinary PN junction diode but normally operated in reverse bias conditions. We already know that the Zener diode, in Zener diode basically operated in forward bias condition. Zener diode operated in PN junction diode operated in forward bias condition, but Zener diode operated in which condition? Zener diode is operated in reverse bias conditions. Now, diode having a two terminals, anode and cathode. So Zener diode also a two terminals. First one is the anode terminal and second one is the cathode terminal. Anode terminal having a positive charge and cathode terminal having a negative charge. This one is your symbol of PN junction diode. This is the symbol of PN junction diode. But here only two arrows are generated. So we get here the Zener diode. If there is a only difference is that in Zener diode there is a two arrowheads are generated. This one is the symbol of Zener diode and this one is the practically Zener diode is looking like this. Here is the anode terminal and this one is your cathode terminal. Now we will study the biasing of Zener diode. We already studied that the concept of biasing. What is the concept of biasing? Biasing is nothing but external DC supply applied to the device. Device is nothing but your Zener diode is the device. PN junction diode is a device. There are two types of biasing: forward biasing and reverse biasing. Now we will study the forward biasing of Zener diode. The working of forward biasing of Zener diode is same as forward biasing of PN junction diode. Forward biasing of PN junction diode. The forward biasing of Zener diode and forward biasing of PN junction diode both are similar. Now the what is the meaning of forward biasing? See here, the anode is connected to positive terminal of battery and cathode is connected to negative terminal of battery. This type of biasing is called as forward biasing. This is the battery. This battery having a positive terminal and this battery having a negative terminal. This positive terminal is connected to anode and this negative terminal is connected to cathode. So this type of biasing is called as the forward biasing of Zener diode. In forward biasing, VF voltage applied to the device and forward current flowing through the circuitry. Forward current flowing through the circuitry. Now we will study the reverse biasing of Zener diode. Reverse biasing is nothing but negative terminal of battery is connected to anode and positive terminal of battery is connected to cathode. This type of biasing is called as the reverse biasing of Zener diode. In reverse biasing, VR is the applied voltage and IR current flowing through the circuitry. Which current flowing through the circuitry? IR current flowing through the circuitry. Now we will study the VI characteristics of Zener diode. VI characteristics is basically divided into two parts: forward biasing VI characteristics and reverse biasing VI characteristics. Now we will study the forward biasing of VI characteristics. In forward biasing of VI characteristics, this is your symbol of Zener diode. This is your symbol of Zener diode. In symbol of Zener diode, this is the battery connection. So positive terminal of battery is connected to anode and this negative terminal of battery is connected to cathode. This one is the anode terminal and this one is the cathode terminal. Here is the VF is the applied forward voltage and flowing through the forward current is the IF current flowing through the circuitry. Now in forward biasing is the graphical representation of voltage on x-axis, voltage on x-axis and current on y-axis. So in forward biasing of Zener diode, as the voltage increases, current increases in very small amount. If voltage reach to the cut-in voltage, then current increases rapidly, fastly or suddenly. This is the forward VI characteristics of Zener diode. Now we will study the reverse VI characteristics of Zener diode. In reverse VI characteristics, this is your battery. This is your Zener diode. In this Zener diode, negative terminal of battery is connected to anode and positive terminal of battery is connected to cathode. This one is the negative terminal and this one is the positive terminal. This negative terminal is connected to the anode and this positive terminal is connected to the cathode. So here applied voltage is the VR and IR current flowing through the circuitry. IR current flowing through the circuitry. So VI characteristics is the graphical representation of voltage on x-axis. This one is the VR voltage and flowing through the circuitry current is the IR. Both are negative, so it is in third quadrant. In this reverse VI characteristics of Zener diode, as the reverse voltage increases, reverse current increases in very small amount. This reverse voltage reach to the breakdown voltage. This one is the breakdown voltage. Then current increases sharply. Current decreases sharply. Here current decreases sharply. This is the only difference between the PN junction diode and Zener diode. Due to this reverse biasing, Zener diode operated in reverse bias condition. This is the final voltage. VB is the final voltage of Zener diode. After that, there is no current, there is no voltage increases, but current increases suddenly. This one is the your Zener breakdown voltage. This voltage is called as the Zener breakdown voltage. In after Zener breakdown voltage does not increases but current increases sharply, suddenly or fastly. So here I am writing as in reverse biasing of Zener diode, as a reverse voltage increases, reverse current decreases in small amount. If reverse voltage reach to the Zener breakdown voltage, reverse current decreases sharply. Now we will study the comparison between PN junction diode and Zener diode. In this comparison, there is necessary to draw symbol of PN junction diode and symbol of Zener diode. After that, PN junction diode operated in forward bias condition, Zener diode operated in reverse bias condition. Application: PN junction diode is in clipper, clamper and rectifier circuit. Zener diode used in regulator, stabilizer and DC power supply. These are the VI characteristics of Zener diode and PN junction diode. These are some applications of Zener diode. Zener diode is basically used as a voltage regulator, switching purpose, used in many security circuits and also used in like laptop, computers, etc. These are some applications of Zener diode. If any queries related to this lecture, then you will ask me my number.